Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be unboxing those noise cancelling headphones. I got them from Amazon, and they have actually been launched by one of my Amazon FBA students. So I'm very interested actually to see how they've done and whether they are any good. Now I do have my own pair of headphones, noise cancelling headphones, that are actually similar to those. They are by Sony. So they look like that, and so I will obviously be comparing this product to the one I already have. So let's take a look at the box. Not a lot of information on the box actually. It's quite a small, relatively small box, as I would expect. PT True Wireless Stereo Earbuds by JJ Hanah, so they put a logo on it. iOS, Android, and Windows 5.0 packing list, earbuds, charging case, user manual, and that is about it. The box itself is actually quite a good quality, very sturdy, very nice. So that's good. Let's open it up and let's have a look. Okay, so we don't really care about the box, but it makes the nice first impression, so it's always good to at least look at this. So inside of the box we've got the headphones, we've got a piece of foam, we've got the cable, which is USB, presumably type 2 to USB-C. Okay, so they are being charged by the USB-C cable, which is always nice. What else do we have here? Oh, okay, let's have a look. Okay, so so those seems to be some kind of holders. We'll have a look in a second. And we have some spare things for the earbuds. Let's have a look. What do we have? Okay, so that's good because we do have the large one. Okay, we do have the large set of large ones. We do have a set of small ones. And presumably there is another set on the earbuds themselves. Yes, so we've got small, medium, and large one, which apparently should fit at least most of us. Okay, so that is brilliant. Very good. We do have a manual. Okay, so let's very quickly take a look. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, unboxing, we've got the set content. Okay, then we have device overview, auto pairing, on, off, tap, install. Okay, so they do actually support tapping as well. Oh, that's good. Okay, let me have a look. Interesting. So, okay, auto on pairing, tap instructions. So we have some shortcuts as well for the tap gestures. Manual on, off, battery charging. Okay. So not bad actually. Because sometimes you get really poor instructions. That one seemed to be alright. I'll put the link down below the video for this product as well if you want to get it on Amazon. Now let's have a look. Oh, and there is a thank you card as well. Cool, okay. So I'll put this to the side. Now, in comparison, in terms of the size, okay, those are the Sony headphones and those are the JJ Hanah headphones. Obviously they differ in price, so there is nothing to compare here, but I will do anyway. So those how they are different basically. Okay, now quality, let me just put them on. Let's see, they are actually quite comfy. Okay, I'm actually pleasantly surprised because the trouble I have with the Sony headphones is they actually like to fall off. So when I actually put, they don't really stick in my ears properly, and I tried various rubber things, but nothing helps. Now those, when I actually put them in, they stick. Okay, I feel like I can actually exercise in them, so that's a pleasant surprise. And apparently that's for, maybe that's holders, so I don't get lost. So I'm always actually worried I lose these, especially when I'm exercising, but they've got this bit. Okay, so you can actually put this, I think, around your neck and put them like that, which is awesome. I do like this feature. Oh, okay. Could that be my favorite headphones? Interesting. So that is brilliant. Okay, that is what has been missing with the Sony headphones. I do like that. The charging cable pretty much standard USB-C, which is great. Okay, so that's brilliant. That's a plus. That's a plus. We've got a few sets of these, which is also awesome because you can adjust the size of these to your ear. And then we have the headphones. So let's take a look at the headphones. The box is very small, so it will fit in your pocket. Actually, it's much smaller than the Sony ones. Okay, so that's actually an advantage, I guess, because you can take them anywhere with you. And these are actually magnetic. Okay, so they are being drawn inside. Okay, they've got those two little contacts here, and they are being, I'm not sure if you can see, they are being charged inside the box. So if I put them like that, okay, very nice, put them in your pocket when you are traveling and so on. And then take out, put them, and you actually have voice commands inside as well. So it says pairing right now. Obviously, I am unboxing this right now, so I didn't pair them with my phone, but I am actually super interested how they are going to perform. Actually, I'm going to pair them now with my phone, and I'll give you my very initial feedback, okay? And we'll see how it goes. Just give me a second, I'll pair them with my phone. Should be fairly straightforward. Okay, so we are going to go into Bluetooth. Sony, tap to pair, we don't want this. Could that be P10? Okay, so let's do this. Pairing, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Okay, so they are apparently connected right now. It's interesting. So I'm going to put them in. And let's just run a very quick test. What could we try here? Do we have any music here? Okay. First impressions, guys. Okay. Ooh, nice bass. Good. I mean, guys, for that price, they are brilliant. Okay. They are absolutely brilliant. It's very good bass, clean sound. And there is not much noise coming from the inside. I may be screaming right now, I don't know. But the sound is really nice. Okay, so wow, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed because, you know, they cost like, I don't know how much, 30 pounds or something. Let me just quickly look at Amazon. How much did I get them for? Okay, so they are currently being sold for 30 pounds. Wow. I think I overpaid for these because they cost 120 pounds. Okay, let's have a look. The fitment, if I compare, the fitment is so much better, to be honest. I think I will be using this for exercising. I'm really, really impressed. I'm genuinely impressed with this. Let's have a look. So I'm going to switch to my Sony headphones and I'm going to do the test. Okay. So I must say the bass out of this is much better. It's deeper and you get actually a deeper sound as well. Super impressed with this, really. I would say the sound, the higher sounds are cleaner on my Sony headphones. But, I mean, wow, okay. Really, really good. I mean, I'm super impressed, guys. Again, I can honestly recommend them. If you are looking for noise cancelling headphones, I need to test the active noise cancellation in these. But my first impressions, I think it's by default. Those have those microphones here, and presumably it's on by default. Okay, it's quite quiet here because I'm recording the video anyway. I'm just going to try them once again just to give you my honest feedback right now. Okay, so paired successfully. Let's do one more time. Wow, really good. Okay. Okay, so the bass is much stronger in these phones. The higher sounds are much deeper. It's the sound out of this is more like you are in a massive dome. Okay, it's more enveloping, I would say. But I think the noise cancellation in this is really, really good as well. And I mean, for £30, just go and buy them. Just go and buy them. Okay, as soon as as long as they are in stock, guys. Okay, that is it for the unboxing video. There is nothing more I can say about them. I'm gonna do a full review of these as well, but really nice. And I do like this bit. Okay, I think that's awesome. That's what's missing. They hold in the ear. It's not gonna fall out. You've got that if you are worried about losing one of them. They connect to the phone very quickly, very smoothly. I'm not sure about the time, obviously they last, so I will check this. The noise cancelling is fine, the sound out of this is fine, and like I said, for $30, I'll put the link down below. If you guys looking for noise cancelling wireless headphones, I definitely recommend them. Thanks so much, guys, and if you are interested how to actually find these products and launch these products on Amazon, I will put the link below this video to my free webinars and to my paid trainings as well, and just start learning and start selling them on Amazon. Okay, start selling these products. Thanks so much, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye bye.